Oh, this is so Beth. Beth leaves home on her bicycle, riding at a steady rate of 8 miles per hour. Her brother Ted leaves home on his bicycle half an hour later, following Beth's route. He rides at a steady rate of 12 miles an hour. How long after Beth leaves the home will Ted catch up? So let's call Beth's speed X. So she is going, or Beth's however long she was riding. So she goes 8 miles per hour. So she would have to take however long she was going and multiply it by X. Now that is Beth. She's going 8 miles an hour. Oh my gosh, Ted is going so much faster. He's going 12 miles every hour. However, he's starting a little later. So he's going to take Beth's time and he's going to subtract a half of an hour, right? Because he's starting a half hour later. So the way we're going to represent that is X minus 1/2. Because remember, X is the amount of time that Beth is riding her bike. But he's going a half hour less than that because he's starting later. We've got it set up. Step 1, distribute. 12 times X, 12X. 12 times negative 1/2. Positive times negative is negative. Half of 12 is 6. Now I said that I like to get rid of the smaller one first, so you could get rid of 8x by subtracting 8x. If I was doing this one myself, I would actually get rid of the 12x, but let me show you this just in case you want to do it this way as well. Now 8x minus 8x, I have to put something there. So it would be 0. You can't just get rid of that side of the equation. What in the world? So we have 0 equals 12x minus 8x is 4x. Bring down your minus 6. Then we're two-stepping. Add 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. Equals 4x. And then we divide by our 4. So we have 6 over 4, which reduces to 3 over 2. Now, let's think of that as a mixed number. How many 2's go into 3? 1. So we'd say that's 1.5. We're talking about hours, right? We're talking about time. So this is how long before they will actually, what in the world just happened? This is how long it'll take for them to actually catch up to each other. I gotta rewrite that. That's driving me bananas. Bananas. 1.5 hours. You guys see this, right? I'm not crazy? Okay. You guys are messing with me, right? What is going on here? This is gonna be the longest video and it's just gonna be me erasing stuff over and over. Well, I hope it's at least entertaining for you. 1.5 hours. There we go. I'm not even gonna circle it because the whole board will probably jump off the wall.